Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series. This tutorial will show you how to add your IP addresses to IP groups. Log into our panel and click on the IP addresses menu item to go to your IP address groups page. Let's add a new IP address group. Click on the Add IP Address Group, and a small dialog window will appear. Enter your IP address group's name into the text box and click on Create to create it. Next, navigate into the newly created IP address group. To add IP addresses to your group, click the Add IP Addresses button. The IP address wizard will appear, and you can choose exactly what kind of IP addresses you want to receive. You can choose between shared and dedicated IP addresses. We want dedicated IP addresses. Next, we can choose from which class we get our IP addresses. We choose the C class. The Exclude Subnets in IP Groups option allows you to keep your subnets unique. We only want to have IP addresses from unique subnets, so we will choose all of our IP address groups. That way, we do not get IP addresses from subnets that we already have. Now that we have set up what we want, click on Next to see the availability of IP addresses based on our filters. On the next page, we can see a large list of different countries. You can see that the system found 1,417 IP addresses for us from 22 different countries and 42 cities. That's wonderful! You can click on the plus icon in front of the country to expand the country and see from which cities we can get IP addresses and how much they will cost. Keep in mind that the pricing for IP addresses varies between countries, cities, and data centers. Let's pick a few IP addresses from Chicago. Enter 2 to get 2 IP addresses. Next, let's also pick some IP addresses from the United Kingdom. I want one from London and one from Maidenhead. I want to add 5 website slots for the IP address from Maidenhead. Once you have picked your IP addresses, click on the Next button to see the overview of your order. Now let's choose the billing cycle, and once you are ready, click on the Place Order button. And that's it. Your IP addresses will be allocated for you automatically as soon as you have paid your invoice. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.